New at 4:30, state leaders say they're taking action to keep families safe after what they call confusion and politics around federal vaccine recommendations.
And a new law in Illinois will make it easier for parents to get their kids vaccinated. The governor says this will ensure that state health officials, not politics, will shape future guidance. NBC5's Christian Farr is here with more on what this law does. Christian.
Yeah, Mary and Alex, big deal today. Many doctors in the Chicago area have been concerned about vaccine access after they say the federal government has been releasing confusing information about immunizations. The new law focuses on science-based data for statewide vaccine recommendations, and it does its best to avoid any sort of what lawmakers and doctors call junk science. With the stroke of his pen, Governor Pritzker signed House Bill 767 into state law. The signing was applauded by doctors in attendance.
When the federal government fails to safeguard children and adults in Illinois, here we will have a mechanism to maintain evidence-based guidelines and life-saving practices.
Many state leaders fought for the passage of 767 after the Trump administration dismantled a long-time federal immunization advisory council charged with creating vaccine guidelines nationwide. 767 will allow for state-based science-driven vaccine guidance, expand vaccine access, specifically flu and COVID, for children ages 3 to 7 without prescription, and require insurance companies to fully cover state-recommended vaccines.
With this new law, we will be able to respond swiftly to any dangerous or anti-science actions at the federal level and ensure Illinoisans stay protected.
Late last month, NBC News acquired an internal FDA memo that spells out plans to revise annual flu vaccine framework, and it also asked pneumonia vaccine makers to better show that their products reduce pneumonia. The American Academy of Pediatrics says these newly proposed requirements could limit children's access to safe, proven vaccines.
It's going to help us locally in Illinois maintain access that people have enjoyed.
Pediatrician Dr. Ravi Javari says this new state law will better protect adults and children when it comes to vaccine access. Dr. Javari hopes the law will also end confusion many parents have been experiencing.
I, again, worry about those citizens that are in states that are perhaps not doing this. Because, in my opinion, every child in the country deserves the right to have their vaccines and to be protected from vaccine-preventable illnesses.
Now, one of those preventable illnesses is the measles, which both scientists and the CDC say is preventable by vaccine. Recently, there have been outbreaks nationwide, including right here in Illinois, but the governor says it was quickly contained because of state guidelines that are already in place. Republican state lawmakers fought against this. They felt this was an attack on the Trump administration.